What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, back with another video, guys. As y'all already know, man, today is New Year's Eve, guys, and it's my 100th video. That's right, you heard me. Your boy been blessed to make 100 videos on this channel, man. So if you're new to the channel, just watching the videos, hey, man, I appreciate it if you drop down, leave your boy a like, comment, and most definitely subscribe to the channel, guys. But we about to get up in this here truck, and man, we gonna actually take a little ride, man. So we gonna do a little ride vlog today. All right, guys, so I don't want to give y'all a cold start from the outside, so we're gonna switch it up, and we're gonna try this shit from the inside. Yes, sir. Hey, and like I said, man, y'all know what today is, man. Today is New Year's Eve, guys. I hope everybody out there being safe, being reliable, and everything, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Hey, we made it to 2022, guys. You know, it's the last day in 2021, man. I hope if you haven't done nothing positive all year, guys, man, hey, you got this your last day, you know, to actually get out here and do something positive, man. But besides that, man, nephew! Yeah, but besides that, guys, man, you know, I made this little video, man. It's my 100th video, man. I've been more than blessed to have 100 videos on the channel. If you guys know, man, 100 videos, yeah. But yeah, man, we did that in a year's time, guys. 2022 is only gonna get better, man. I told y'all and I tell y'all, man, I'm thankful for to be in this position, guys. And y'all know I don't take nothing for granted. We gonna run with it, guys, you know. And that's what we gonna do, guys. We gonna run with it. We gonna take every opportunity we get and we gonna run with it, guys. And that's what I need y'all out there to do as well, guys. I need y'all to run with the opportunities that y'all get and that y'all have, guys, because guess what? Don't nobody want to see you win. Don't nobody want to see you win, guys. And I'm going to tell y'all stay focused, guys. No matter what it is, man, y'all stay focused, guys. With this here video is going to be called, hey, my motivational speech, guys. This is my motivational speech going into 2022, guys. Hey, man, see it through. See it through. If you got any fake people that's around you, guys, remove them. I need y'all to remove them today, you know. Remove them out y'all life, guys, because, man, I'm going to tell y'all the story, you know. Don't nobody want to see you win out here. Everything is a race, guys. Believe it or not, man. Everything is a race, guys. Don't you know people would look at your life and compare your life to their life and where you are in life and where they will want to be in life, and don't you know they will hate you for that, guys? Just because they see you somewhere in life that they don't see themselves, so they hate you for that, guys. But guess what? Big Smurf here to tell y'all, man, y'all keep y'all head up, keep your eyes on the prize, and guess what? Guess what, guys? That hate to turn into love, guys, because once they see the hate ain't working, they're gonna want to show you some love. So, you know, that's my message for the day, man. But back to what I was saying, guys, man. You know, we got plenty of things coming up for 2022. Y'all stay focused, man. Hey, y'all stay vibing with the channel. That's what I need, guys. I need y'all to keep rocking with the channel. Share my videos, like the videos, leave your boy one of them fire comments on the videos, guys. That help me in my analytics. I won't tell y'all enough. You know, but besides that, man, I'm very thankful for each and every one of you guys, man. All my new subscribers, man. Don't y'all know 2021 has been a blessing, guys, especially for a person like me. For a person like me, guys, 2021 has been a blessing, guys. Listen, I got monetized in October. I started my journey, I want to think, in February or something like that, guys. I started my journey in February. Listen to me. I started my journey in February, guys. I got monetized in October, September, October, September. And I'm here. It's December. It's December the 30th, man. And I'm here. I'm here to let y'all know that anything is possible. Anything you put your mind to, you put your grind to. Hey, and guess what? you can be that. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm working on this channel. I don't have much right now, but best believe, man, I have you guys and I have this camera, and we gonna make it do what it do. You know, I'm not gonna give y'all no fake content. I'm not gonna get y'all with no fake thumbnails of me at car lots and things like that. Man, it's all authentic with me. It's all original with the Wolf style. DA_WHIP, another underscore STOP. EST 2021, guys. Don't you hear me? You know, I'm just talking to y'all right now, guys, because I just feel I have to talk to y'all right now, guys. 2022, man, positive live spray, positive vibes, guys. You know that, that's my slogan. I will have some shirts coming, man. I will have some merch coming, guys. 2022. For us, this truck, guys, man, we gonna keep on doing what we doing with this truck, guys. I don't know, I've been thinking, guys, but we most definitely, we got something in the works. We have something in the works, guys. Y'all just keep on, man. Y'all just keep on clicking on play. Y'all just keep on clicking play, man. Y'all just keep on turning y'all post notifications on. Make sure that y'all rock out with me every video that I drop, guys, because I tell y'all, it's gonna get better, you know. So we gonna take this day, guys. It's Thursday. Nah, I take that back. I'm sorry, guys. It's Friday, and we gonna enjoy the rest of this day, guys. That's what I need everybody else out there to do, man. Y'all enjoy your day. Turn up with y'all family. Bring in the new year, guys. That's what we gonna do. We're gonna bring in the new year like a boss with that mindset. So I need everybody out there with that same mindset. We're gonna bring in the new year like a boss, guys. 2022, man, it's only gonna get bigger. It can't get smaller, guys. I promise you. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's what it is, guys. So yeah, you know, like I said, man, I'm very blessed to have this little platform and to have supporters like you guys. Man, I don't want to know what I'll be doing if I wasn't doing YouTube right now, guys. But God's plan, guys. You know, hey, like I told y'all, this video, man, it's just gonna be me talking. It's just gonna be me vlogging. It's just gonna be me giving y'all the real. It's just gonna be me giving y'all nothing but, you know, positive vibes, guys. That's all I want to send out, man. It's gonna be me giving nothing but motivation, guys. You can do it too, man. I'm a small YouTuber right now. Like I said, I started this channel 1 year ago. Yeah, I'm a small YouTuber, guys, but I'm working on that video by video, upload by upload, guys. I'm working on that, guys. And I'm telling y'all, man, you know, just have faith and believe. Keep your head to the sky. You feel me? And everything else gonna fall in place. No matter what y'all going through right now, I know some of y'all folks might have had a shitty Christmas. It's cool, you know. It's always another day. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's where I'm on right now. You know, if I can help anybody out there, man, y'all already know I'll try to help y'all, man. You know, if I got any words of encouragement for you guys, man, y'all know I'll try my best to give it to you guys, man. But yeah, this video, man, the end of 2021, guys. Y'all have at least 24 hours to the last day in 2021, guys. New Year's Eve. If y'all haven't done nothing this year positive, at least jump down and leave your boy a positive comment. But look, hey, look, man, but we gonna wrap this up video, guys. We gonna wrap it up, you know. That's what we gonna do, man. So I need everybody out there to stay blessed, stay focused, and stay prayed up. That's what I need everybody out there to do. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, logging on, signing out. Y'all know, positive live spray, positive vibes, folks. 2022, be here. Couple of hours, matter of time. So with that being said, I'm gonna end this video, man. Hey, much love and much love to everybody out there, man. I'm not even much gonna edit this video. It's just going straight up like this here, guys. So hey, much love and respect. Shouts out to everybody who fuck with the channel. Shouts out to everybody who rock with the channel, guys. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Happy New Year's.
She know about that. baby, these diamonds and chains.